Okay, it's not a very good cut. Sorry. But, you'll notice we have, at the top here, we have the holes where the blood goes in and the blood goes out.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
one atrium,
Yeah. Very yummy.
one side of the heart, listening, okay, one side of the heart
Keep going, man.
it's bigger than the other. Who can tell me why they think one side of the heart might be bigger than the other?
Because
With fat and loads.
Oh, yummy. Because one side has all the blood and the other side doesn't.
Both have blood, but think about the heart, right? It's pumping blood around the body, we know that, right? But where does it have to pump it to?
The body.
The four holes. Why do you think these might be nice and close?
Well, too late last
Need the blood. Look at this.
Okay, the blood is pumped from the heart through the lungs where it picks up oxygen. It then takes the oxygen around our bodies. Okay, so the side, it basically what happens is it comes from our heart to our lungs, back down to our heart, and then it's pumped from the heart round the body. Okay? So the reason that one side is bigger than the other is because one side only has to pump it as far as the lungs. The other side has to pump it all the way around the body.
Yummy.
Okay?
How does it feel like? It's so soft.
It feels squishy.
You guys all get to actually dissect the heart.
Oh, can I?
Do you know how to rip it in half?
Well, the scalpels aren't very good.
Miss, would you rip it in half?
Just bite
You
it.
can't rip it.
I laugh if the blood pops out.
Oh, Miss, look at how perfect with that.
Comes from our faces.
Don't say that, it's not my t-shirt. Have that, mate.
Oh, yuck. Oh, yum.
Must have seen this before.
Something worse.
Okay, now, when we open this up, right, remember I said that the heart altogether has got 4 sections. It's got 4 sections, right? At the top we've got the atrium, down the bottom we've got the ventricles. So when we've split it in half, we now have 2 halves of the heart. Now, see how this side has really thick muscle around the outside.
Look at it.
Okay?
Slimy.
That's thick because it's got to pump it all the way around the body. Alright? All the way around the body. This side only pumps it to the lungs, and so it's quite thin. It's nowhere near as thick. Now when we look at it, you can also tell that it's split into 2 sections. When this is joined up, you'll see that there's a close here, right? So the top half is the atrium. Listening up, Josh, instead of stressing about the photo, right? The top half is the atrium, the bottom half is the ventricle, and there's a valve that the blood goes through.
Oh, look at that.
So all this black stuff is clotted blood.
I think it's like white.
Yeah, that looks like... jelly.
What of the
That's like
blood?
plum juice.
Yeah. Looks like jam.
Now, this is actually really good because
It's squishy.
could have done with the forceps. Not today, but you get to have a go in term 4.
Four.
It's gonna be fun.
Hopefully earlier. Okay, can everyone see? Look. Can everyone see these white stringy things?
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that like a
Can you
mini
see the white strings there? Those are what controls the blood flowing from one ventricle to the other, and what controls the beating. So when that's happening, the muscle is going like this sort of thing, and the valves open and close to control the blood going
It's
through.
the ice.
Yeah, it's ice, it's frozen.
I don't know.
Alright?
Frozen blood.
Any questions?
Yes, I have a question.
Yep.
I've done that lots of times.
Not a
Not a
question.
question.
No, I just wanted to have my chance to say something.
See? There is our valve.
Do that
That thin piece there, listening up, that thin piece that you can see against my glove, right, is the valve.
Nice,
So when the
that's
blood's
funny.
going, it goes through there, and then those pull tight, and it closes the hole over. Alright? Now it does that because otherwise when it beats it wouldn't have the force that it has. Okay? So it has to close certain valves and open other valves. Now if you want to know the size of your heart, if you close your fist, 1/5, that's about the size of your heart.
And 2, that's your brain name.
Pardon?
You look lost there.
Hell is that? 2, that's your brain name.
Some other stuff.
I was going to show you red oxygen. Deoxygenated. Let's give you that had it open already.
What the hell are you talking about?
Go face.
Looks like chicken heart.
Let's have you taste the chicken heart. That's what I have.
Does chicken have a heart? Is there a pig heart or cow heart? Sheep. Oh, sheep heart.
I have chicken heart.
Chicken heart is small. You like
Is your brain on? Is your brain on?
Now, also, if you look at this,
Not me. You don't know.
this is what we call cardiac muscle.
Cardiac muscle.
Cardiac muscle is really strong because obviously it has to do a lot of work. It's constantly
Like your
going.
house?
Alright?
She loves me.
Also, control, if you think about it, you don't think about your heart beating, it does it automatically. Alright? That happens through electrical pulses. Okay? There's electrical pulses that happen in your heart that control its beating. Now this up here, we've got our atrium. So we're going to go down. Now that's deep in there. Down ventricle. What's the very tip of your heart called? Anyone got any ideas? Top part.
Atrium.
Apex.
Oh, well.
There's a lot of songs about like the tip of your heart, and the tip of your heart is actually biologically really important as well. That's where a lot of the electrical stimulation comes from. It's why you know when you get heartbroken and you're like triple liver, like the tip of your heart got broken off. It actually comes from a biological root. Quite ironic. So, you want to cut a run and see what we can see? Yep. Woo! Yeah. It's going to help? No. Can I help you?
That's what I should
I don't know what we'll see. I've never cut open one. It might explode.
Whoa. It might explode. Whoa.
No, I'm joking.
I've cut a lung before.
Eek, 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 eek. Blood pops out.
That looks like steak.
me. I know.
I think that's what they make steak now.
That looks like lamb fry, man. It looks like lamb fry.
Chivers.
Giving you the wrong too.
Chivers.
Okay.
Leech. It's like a leech.
Do you see the holes in it?
Yeah.
What do you think they might be important for?
So it can breathe.
It looks like a spider.
Whoa.
For the hair. It looks like a fly.
Air holes.
For the fur.